On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, everybody. What is going on, Otter Gang? Gang. My God, you guys show up extra early. Crypto Princess, Crypto Billy, Tony Soprano. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Bitcoin's rolling over a little bit. That's fine with us. There is a sell button if need be. Is this going to be up only? We'll see. Let's get into it. Good morning, everybody. What is going on? Look at all these amazing people. Good morning. How are we all doing? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Well, yesterday was a fun day, wasn't it? $1,500 in 3 seconds. I think that's a new record. I don't know if we're ever going to break it. Flipping view app right now. Trying to move up on that in the world here. Trying to get out. Tapping that little order block down below. Pushing up here. A little bit of strength coming in. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Got some nice volume like randomly here. We shall see, won't we? How's everybody doing this morning? Thank you for being here. We got Crypto Princess Beyond Sport, Chantel, Jeffrey Stone Cipher, James A. Monetti, Bout. Good morning. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Jedi Gaze. He's got that. You will make profits today. Okay. Crypto Billy in the chat. Good morning, my brother. Good to see you, man. How you been? Jesse Gluck. Got that good luck, man. How's it going? Jesse, you everywhere, man. You like crypto's super supporter. I don't know what to call you. I think you just everywhere, man. Thank you for supporting everybody. I think everybody appreciates you. I appreciate you, man. Swipe 24, Matthew. Good morning to you. Albert Rajag. Gook. The coolest name in all of crypto. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Hanseku. Good morning. Quick Smoker, my man. Good morning to you. How's it going down there? Down there. You got to say down under. How's it going? Dina. Is it Dina time? What time is it there? It's definitely not a morning, but good to see you, bro. Frank Fit for Life Crypto. Good morning, Curtis Hill. Dan Bartley. Zena with the pink hand always coming through. EC. Good morning. Donato Cabrera. Jazz Tech. What's up, Alex? Oh, gang. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're doing well, man. Thank you for the kind words. So what do we got with Bitcoin here? Like we said yesterday, we're a bit overextended. Now this isn't even really a retracement if we're looking at it. Okay, so we do have the 4-hour cooling off, but VWAP is curving to the upside here. So there is some hopium here. There is some hopium we can get a potential bounce. I don't know. Like, are we literally going to like wick test this thing here and then bounce? Well, we shall see. We shall see. However, everything else, like once we get into like the 8-hour, the 12-hour, the daily, overextension. The daily though, money flow crossover, printed. This is nice. Look at this. This hasn't happened since February. We've done all quarter, basically first quarter. Jeez Louise. So we're getting some good signs. It doesn't mean, I mean, come on, guys. Look how fast we moved up here. What do we expect to get through this amount of resistance that early? No, come on. Come on. Bitcoin ain't ready yet. It's got to reset. It's got to probably come here. It's, What do you guys think? Do you think we crack 95 this week? Put a 1 in the chat. You guys let me know. We're going to crack 95 this week. Put a 1 in the chat. If not, put a 2, just so I know that you're here, participating and hanging out. I don't think we're cracking it. What do you guys think? The only thing you're cracking is beers this weekend. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Good morning to you, Curtis Hill, Donato Cabrera, Guile. Tony Soprano says 3. You're supposed to be the one that doesn't confuse me in the morning. All right, we got some cracking house in here. 2 1s. I see more 1s. What is 3? What is 3? This is definitely the Jesus pump. Okay, we. What is 3? You guys gotta let me know. Play the great Felipe C. Swipe. Revenge Trader, Roaming Brave, good morning to you. Infinity Kids, Buckeye, let's get it, baby. I hope we can make 1,500 in 3 seconds again. That was fun. I don't think I'm ever going to do that again. That was welcome to Donald Trump's fart show. I don't know. He trumps like he farts. A Trump in the UK is called a fart, by the way. For all my North American viewers, my wife's British, so they call farts a Trump. So when he tweets, the market goes, wee. You guys think he's going to get a deal with China done or what? Gang. Good morning, 80. Ondo Poncho, Crypto Rob, Curtis Hill, Crypto Sammy. I gotcha. It's not Crypto Sam, okay? It's Sammy. Milan, what's going on? Lucky Deal. Good morning to you. Dream Big, good morning. Jesse, James Millman, good morning. Neil, of course I'm early. I want to learn from my favorite scalper, as always. Thank you for being here, man. Shy Owl, good morning. Good morning. So yeah, the daily has turned up. Looking all right here. Beautiful money flow crossover. 3-day. The 3-day is the juicy one, baby. Look at the 3-day. Oof, you got that anchor trigger wave continuation here. We got very overextended view up, but nonetheless, man, this thing does not give 2 beeps. And then we have stochastics. So like whenever I see stochastics gapping like this, I always look for the RSI band to move to the stochastic band, meaning it snaps. It snaps back to reality, right? Because you can see here, it's held the 0 line. And if it snaps, that means this would be a nice bullish trend coming back in, holding that upwards momentum in the greater uptrend, okay? So that's always a good sign. Yeah, lots of room. I just want to see VWAP reset kind of deal. So I'd like to see, a couple more candle prints coming into next week, tapping that 0 line and bouncing. But it can retrace and stay above. Like, look at it here, friends. It can stay above. It can retrace and stay above for some time before it crosses over, okay? So, interesting enough. For the day today, what are we preparing for? Well, We know we're overextended. We know that. Does that mean, we can't make money? Absolutely not. Okay. So I would expect continuation down. Now, we are chopping around VWAP here. We got our targets. It's how do we get in on the trade, right? So the 4-hour resetting coming back down. The 3, the 2, the 1 are starting to turn up a little bit. It's that 2-hour. It's the 2-hour trigger wave that's that's juicy in my opinion. If this wants to play out end of day, we could be pushing, baby. We could be pushing. So let's be aware of that. However, mitigation of the low in here, right? Mitigation of the low. I would like to see retest to the highs. That would be ideal. Something like this. Our golden pocket 786 up in here. So we got some work to do. Needless to say, we got a little bit of support down here at 91.2. Okay, and then we got some work to do to get back above 90. I would say 90. Yeah, right where we're at, 92.8. Okay. Little wee rejection here. Let's get into our scalpy mode here. Scalpy. Good fun. Below VWAP, look for a retracement down into here. Okay. VWAP here. Yeah, little rejection off VWAP here. Nothing. No short there. No short. Still waiting. Yeah, so the bias is this. Is there's a threat. There's a threat of a 2-hour trigger wave today that we should be aware of. We are breaking structure to the downside. So the trend has changed. Doesn't mean we can't come up for another whoop and go, okay? We can still break down here, but I don't know if it comes right from here. Now, liquidity in the lows suggests that people who are long in here will get, it will be like that, pop, 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 pop. You know when a building gets demoed, right? You get the pop, 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 pop. So it's just everybody's stop loss getting triggered, right? So it tends to just go pretty quick if it does happen. Now, to the upside, I would like an SFP bounce. I'd like us to come into this order block. That would be key. But we don't always get what we like, do we? Sometimes we got to make $1,500 in a 3-second candle, so craziness. What's going on? Lux, Adam, Freddie, Zwartz, Donato Cabrera, Sonny, Buck, my man. What's going on? Heiko von Susten. That's a name, man. Good morning to you, man. Aye, Captain. Eddie, French toaster. But did you guys know that a toaster was the first form of pop-up notifications? Jesse, good luck. Good morning, Alexandra G. How you doing? Good to see you in here. Thank you for being here. Drive safely, please. Good morning, LJ, my man. Unholy Audio. Richard Roofs. Good morning to you, man. Unholy is trying to short things. Okay. That's good. I mean, you're aligned with trend, which is important. I didn't mean to do that. For now, we're chopping about here. How is it, past couple of days, we've just been at VWAP here, sitting, chopping, and if you misread the VWAP, you're in big trouble. That's the thing, because it's an average price, and if you misread this, you're going here. So you misread this. That's why you got to be very. I prefer price to be above VWAP. Breakthrough retest. Now I know I'm downtrending. Now I'm still downtrending, but I'm attempting to flip right now. So it's not always easy, my friends. Big, what's going on, Mr. Pineapples? Pappy Boyington, what's going on? Jesse, Jazz Tech. Donato Cabrera, Marcus, Melissa, good to see you. Andrew Cameron, Caveman, what's going on? Crypto, same. I can't resist, man. Sammy, what's going on? Oscar, call me risky. What's going on, man? TM, Quick Smoker, Froth. It's at 10 p.m. for Quick Smoker. See, that's dedication. Let's go, baby. Crypto groupie. Jesse, are you the crypto groupie? Melissa, Froth. What's going on, Sharkvin, Paul Caruso, my man, Rob S, Dex Crypto. So up. Okay. Up. Got a lot of ups in here, man. You guys think we're going to crush through it, eh? What is 3? Did Tony ever confess what 3 means? The heck is 3, Tony? Kyle streaming at the same time. Yeah, Kyle's doing like an 8 till 9. Which is cool, man. Kyle can do his thing. Kyle's got a stream as well. He's poaching. No, Kyle's not. It's all good, man. Love Kyle, man. If you do guys want to watch Kyle, I don't blame you. Kyle's my hero, man. Do. Kyle's thumbnail looks weirdly like mine, though. Except he's more handsome. Way more handsome. We'll see if this does pop off here this morning. Fafo number 3. 3 crack is a dump. 3 are scalpers. Let's go, man. Let's go. Basic geeks. We need to cook today. Yeah, we ready, man. Bear diamond. This is a bearish diamond. You guys got to tell me how to draw this. Are you going like this? Is that your bearish diamond reversal? Is that what you're looking at? Jeez. You guys are getting all tricky with me, man. You guys are way too tricky for me. Up or down, Dusty? I think right now, up a little bit right now till probably retest 93. We'll see. Paper Planes, good morning, brother. Good to see you, man. Dex, what's going on? China says it has not had any trade negotiations with the United States. Okay. That's not good. Can you please pull the fib so we see how the golden pocket is at the 786? You want this fib? Which one do you want? You want this one? You got this one? We got this one. This one will change if we continue to put in higher highs here, okay? Dose fibs, man. Dose fibs. Trying to break above VWAP here, see if we get going. Good morning, Delta. Karis. You gotta tell me how to say your name, man. That C-A. I'm just gonna call you Ka for now. Until you tell me how to say your name. Dusty, good morning to you. Night rains. Pop, pop, pop. Like the... Oh, no. We're not going there, man. I drank the Kool-Aid on that one. Kaluk, good morning to you. Rooster, good morning. Good to see you. Jason, Jakes, Jesse. J. Dutt Sharma. Why ETH dumping today? It already broke out. Well, everything's really overextended, my man. Rudy. From Belgium. You got to make a comment on chocolate, right? And you're probably sick of that your whole life. Everybody's like, oh, Belgium chocolate. Like, no, Belgium, I'm a human. ETH does suck. Yeah, I sold all my ETH. Delta Chai, welcome, baby otters. We can get some otters in the chat for Delta Chai. My man. Muckin', what's going on? What's going on? Good to see you, man. Mark Dutch in the chat as well. Good morning to you guys. Jose, what's going on? Montilla. 1,500 again this morning. Yeah, we'll get it, man. We'll get it. We always do. I mean, we are 3 for 3 this week. 2 for 2. We didn't trade Monday. Monday there was nothing. Monday was a gong show. We're kicking ass this week. Kicking ass, taking names. Neff, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Zen. Looks like we're trying to flip VWAP here, come up to 90. I would like to see little push here. I'd like to see us come into here. But we'll see. Trying to flip VWAP right now. Got a string of higher lows, so not looking bad. 3 is sideways, maybe. NYC gonna dump, I reckon. The NASDAQ looks strong right now. We didn't fully come back for this. That's the concern, is we haven't come back for this here. Yeah, if the NASDAQ's going to go, I'd like to see it flip 8. This 18. I'd like to see it hold 18 here, but very possible we do come back. Looks like Nas is trying to push, though. Nice little push here. Look at that retest continuation here. So Bitcoin trying to push as well. Getting a little bit toppy here on our 3-minute. What does our 24 say? Our 24 for the day. Yeah, we have continuation room to the upside here. Money flow coming back in. So this is a good sign here. We got a little bit of a double bottom formed in here. Bullish divergence. Push to the upside. Not a very good look in divergence, but who cares what it looks like? It's all about the experience, right? There's a lot of rude jokes in there. I won't go there today. I probably will, but I won't go there yet. Not yet. Keep a lid on it, okay? Money flow coming up in here. Yeah. The 12 suggests that we are getting, by 9 o'clock, we could be overextended. So might get a little push up here. This is also just market cipher. So like, you need to align market cipher with other things as well to make it super cipher. Yeah, that one. Okay. We are sponsored by Market Cipher. I mean, it's the best oscillator in the whole industry. Everybody knows that, right? We all know that. I mean, figure it out. But you got to know how to read it. You got to be able to interpret the time frames. Zen, your way, handsome. Good to see you. Giannis, Hugos. Crypto Sammy. Kyle looks like he's about to kick ass. Kyle's always kicking ass. Yeah. I'm going to meet Kyle. So on Friday, I am going to stream tomorrow's Friday, I'm going to meet Kyle, one of the traders in our Discord who's been a big part of me trading, and he has his own thing, but Kyle here, one of our traders. Amazing dude. Gonna go meet him on Friday and kick his ass for going live when I'm live. No, I'm joking. So I won't be. I'm gonna stream today for the Discord members as well. So I'm like nonstop today. Maybe we go live for the Discord members. Do you guys want to go live after this live, or do you guys want to go live later on today? That would be a good question to ask. I'm going to ask that in the Discord. Let's ask it here. Maybe you guys will answer. Create poll. Live from 10 to 11 or live from ... Then we can go 10 to 11. Come on. Or we'll do 12 to 1. You guys decide, man. You guys decide. Jesse, don't sway people's votes. I'm kidding, bro. We are in a democracy, a democracy. 416 people in here. Thank you for being here. Got 106 likes, guys. Thank you so much. Rolling over a little bit here. Bear div. Overextended. We might be in for a short soon. I mean, we could go impulse fib here. It lines up with previous highs, yeah. Just seeing what we get here. Just seeing what we get. Patience will prevail, my friends. Don't want to rush it. However, we want to make money. We want to make money. That's how it always is, isn't it? You don't want to rush it, but you do want to make money. So it's like the Wuhan bat pattern. We love the Wu-Tang bat pattern, but good afternoon, Saphir. Good to see you. Magic Mike, good morning. Frank Fit for Life. Now imagine believing. Yeah, it's questionable, right? Questionable. J-Dut, he's gonna pump. All right. Joan, good morning. Good to see you as well. Wayne C. Wick's wife, fine 89. Let's see some Wick's wife emojis in the chat. Good morning to you, wifey. I see you putting my Otter Gang sticker on your flower pot. That's cool, man. That's cool. That plant's going to grow so beautifully. So beautifully. Darren does things in the chat. Dave Digital. What's going on, man? Good to see you guys in here. Mama Bull retest of the breakout. We'll see. BC Port Corp. Yud Jin. What's going on, Jakes? Your Mark Dutch's African cousin. Do you wear like African clogs? Hi everyone from Belgium. Hi. Hey chocolatier. Are you a chocolatier? Now it's just gonna be a channel thing. Anybody from Belgium, we're just gonna ask if they're a chocolatier. Harp, what's going on? Good to see you, Rick. Jason Casper said he'll sell the farm to buy ETH if it goes below $800. That's beautiful, man. I would buy one of Jason Casper's chickens. If it's going to give me muscles like that, I'm down for, I'll pay a good price for that chicken. Those eggs got to have like steroids in them, man. I'd be like, Jason Casper chicken gains, bro. DDT, what's good? What's good? Good to see you, Rudy. Lasers. It's got to be the chicken eggs, man. He's got to have some like super chickens. Not be disciplined and work out all the time, but. Okay, rejecting below VWAP now. If we put it in a low here and a retest, we could get short. Is anybody in a trade? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Put a 3 in the chat if you're not in a trade. I would love to know. Hugos, what's going on? Lasers. Pew, pew. What's going on, Giannis? JR, my man. What's going on, Sonny? Hugo's. Wayne C. Zen. Call me Dave. Frost. Colin Gallinger. Ed Camp. What's good? Good morning to you. Good to see you. How you been? IKO. It's in the game. XYZ. Richie Roofs. Any free memberships available? In the Discord or on the channel? There's people give away a lot of memberships here on the channel. In the Discord, we're not doing a giveaway. We're going to do a cheaper, I don't know, we probably do $35-40. I don't know. Our Discord's already cheap, man. We'll probably do a sale in about a month for everyone. But right now, it is what it is. Wick's wife, Sean Beringer. Good morning to you. IKO, David Brumbelow. Moving averages. Quad rotation stochastics. Donker Risco. MCB, Fibs, VWAP, Anchor VWAPs. Love it. David Brumbelow, my man. God bless you, bro. Wick's wife. What's going on? Jesse. French Toaster. Polygon. Oh, yeah. Short. No trade. Long. F-bomb's long. Let's go. No trades. TM's long. BC is short. Dave is in a schlong, everybody. Dave Digital is schlonging. Careful, everybody. Dave Digital, he's playing both ways. Continuation here. We got continuation. VWAP dance, baby. We're doing a VWAP dance this morning. What would a VWAP dance look like? Wave Cypher, my man. Good morning to you, Wave Cypher. Are you schlonging on Fartcoin? Barista here, not a chocolatier. There we go. Sonny, good morning. J Mag, Tony Soprano, Wick's wife, Fine 89. What about Swee? Swee's beautiful, man. Beautiful pump. Running away. I think we were looking at Swee yesterday. I gave a couple of ideas yesterday. Yeah, this is still looking bullish. Looking at 280 for it to come back down to. Never did. Jeez. Could still play, though. If we do get a dump here, we could come back down there. Or Swee. I heard I have to say it Swee, not Suey. Swee. Swee is kind of like lame, though, man. But I'll call it Swee. That's like, I think Michael McIntyre, he does like a thing where you have like a Sarah with an H. Sarah Ha. Have you guys seen that one? Sarah Ha. Right, you have Sarah. And then you have Sarah Ha. It's like you have Sean, Sion, and Sion, and Sean. Like, which way are you supposed to say it? Or is it just Sean? What's the correct way to spell Sean? Is it Sean, Sion, or Shaun? The Discord is worth every penny. Thank you, LJ. God bless you, bro. 3 no trade, Mama Bull. Okay. We did have some news this morning, didn't we? Durable goods. Durable goods coming in hot. Holy smokes, that's hot. That is hot tamales, baby. Durable goods, month over month, 9.2%. Look at the increase here. Jeez. It's really high. It's just like July. Look at that coming up here. Not sure how that's going to affect the market. And then we have existing home sales later on at 10 a.m. Interesting. The NASDAQ hasn't really reacted too much. Bitcoin is continuing up here. And you guys are going to tell me how to say Xion. Value, value. Let's go, baby. That's it. Best Discord around. Discord membership is not lifetime. It is reoccurring monthly. I don't know if I'd have a month or a lifetime one. What if so the reason why I think like lifetime, one stop pop, lifetime, you'd have to like, what if I hit a trade and I make like $10 million or $5 million? You think I'm going to come back and do this? I'm going to go in, I'm going to refund everybody and say, have a great day. And maybe give some money to people I like. You know what I mean? I'm not. Right? Just saying. Just saying. Line dancing. I was thinking of that, like, what is that meme? This one. I was thinking this one, Tony. That's a VWAP dance right there, guys. We're breaking out, baby. Continuation here. Did you just quit? No, we're here, man. Sweeney Todd. Oh, wee. Let's go. Night Rains. Good morning, Sonny. Good morning, Freddie. Little push here, guys. Yeah. Now we're getting overextended up. So we're coming into a sell wall here. We'll see how it reacts. Good morning, Sibel. Good to see you, Lasers. Guile, good morning to you. Buck, Dave Digital, Ando Pancho, Darshan. What's going on, man? Good to see you. How do you guys say Sean? They're all right. Xion. That's fancy footwork. Gotta have a laugh, man. Igloo Mansion, baby. Hugo's, you know it, man. I'm gonna have flat sides. An Igloo Mansion actually has, instead of having, because it's hard to get to the fridge in here. Okay, like in my igloo, right? That's a bad example. In my igloo, like I'm short. So like I fit pretty good in here, but it's still hard to get to my fridge, okay? In an Igloo Mansion, they have straight walls. Okay? And they have like good tie-ups for your polar bears, right? Good chains for your moose. It's unstoppable, man. Unstoppable. Curtis Hill, what's going on? Good morning. NG. Got liquidity at 93. So we got a value area volume here. We got a retest of the lows. We have a little fair value gap in here. We have the previous highs in here, and we have a impulse Fibonacci level. So there's a lot pulling here if we're going to look for the short and continuation down. That's why we're looking here. Otherwise, we're looking for some sort of like retracement back into the liquidity in the lows here, preferably a sweep and a bounce. Let's just double check that volume. Yeah, so the volume is in here, then it picks up higher, but okay. Impulse fib. Okay. Liquidity in the high, fair value gap. Okay, yeah, it's all there. But we'll see. We'll see. Trading is waiting, baby. Right now it's doing the VWAP dance. Care us. Thank you, Carius. Care us. Carius. Thank you for correcting me, man. Care es. Oh, I'm reading off the Discord. You guys can't see this. We're not in an uptrend yet. We'd have to mitigate this high here. But we're trying. We're trying here. Curious. That's great. Good morning, CD Esoteric. What's going on, man? Aviyoshi, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Why do you need a refrigerator in an igloo? It's so that you can keep things warmer. Because otherwise everything freezes, Richie. So you can regulate, like everything else would be frozen, right? So if you have milk, right, you want to keep it cool, not frozen, right? That's why. It's to keep things warmer. Fun facts. You guys drive me to misbehavior. You guys definitely do. You like to. It's the anti-fridge. It's a warming refrigerator. I need my frozen milk. That's called ice cream, Jacob. You guys are so good. Call that an oven in Florida. I mean, you don't even need an oven in Florida. You just throw the pizza on the shingles on the roof and you cook that thing up. Isn't that a hot box? That's what stoners use, BC. That's a stoner thing, man. Dutch ovens are the best. Oh man. It's still doing the VWAP dance, friends. I can't force this thing to go anywhere. We didn't even sweep that high. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live here. If you are new here, I know we are talking a lot of smack. We do talk a lot of smack. We have lots of fun here in the morning, but we also make a lot of money. And we have lots of fun. Okay, so it's good to be here. Thank you for being here. We got 500 people here, 137 likes. You guys are a little bit slacky this morning, but I do appreciate you guys being here. Hopefully we can find some trades today. Right now, just dancing around VWAP. A little bit of a lower low coming in down here. So we're looking for a little bit of a pushback and a little rejection, or we're looking for a sweep of the lows and continuation up. Right now, we've established that really the Bitcoin price action is topping out here. We have put in a low, lower than this low, which means we have changed structure. However, I would look for at least a retest back up to previous highs before continuation down. We do have a lot of liquidity below us that we can easily take, and we have a wall of China right in front of us here. And I say China because if Donald Trump makes a deal with China, we're going to smash right through that son of a beep. All right? We got a lot of people saying we're going to pump today. We'll have to wait and find out. I don't know if this is sufficient retracement, but we'll see. we do have this possibility of continuation here. It does say my stream is lagging. This is the first time I've had this in a long time. Is the stream lagging? Oh my God, yes it is. Oh my God. This is the first time this happened in a long time. We may need to restart, everybody. We may need to restart. We may need to restart this. I don't want to deal with the laggy stream. All right. Right when we hit 600 people, the voice is still okay. I'm going to restart the stream. I'm going to restart the